Queen Posh, what keeps you rooted and grounded?
Keeps me rooted and grounded is just knowing that there's a higher power watching over everything. Just knowing that there's a source of energy that's reflective, and that what you give off is what you attract. That's what keeps me grounded. Not necessarily faulting people for how they feel or how they react or how they are, but taking ownership and how I made them feel. So that's what keeps me grounded. Knowing that I'm a thermostat and I have the ability to control an environment. So I have accountability to act and respond and reciprocate what people relate to. That's what keeps me grounded.